Emmanuel Navarrete is set to go down against Robson Conceição. This is WBO World Super Featherweight title fight, and I'm looking forward to this one. I really believe this is going to be a great combat, and these two guys are definitely going to put on a show from what I've seen. I'm confident that Navarrete has excellent cardio and 5'10", 72 inches of reach. He destroyed Oscar Valdez, Liam Wilson, Eduardo Baez, Joet Gonzalez, Christopher Diaz, Ruben Villa. He's in the shape of his life. Robson Conceição, arguably the best Brazilian boxer, but he's turning 35, 5'10", 70.5 inches of reach. Lost to Shakur Stevenson and Oscar Valdez via decision. Defeated Xavier Martinez, Jesus Ahumada, Luis Correa, Eduardo Pereira dos Reis. Was better than Carlos Ruiz. I'm confident Robson Conceição could give him a decent fight, but I believe Navarrete to win via late stoppage or a decision, potentially decision. Going to say over 6.5.